I tested 4 different ways to crochet plush necks, and one of them doesn't even look like a leg. Same yarn, same hook, only the method is different. Method 1 is the fast and easiest. It starts with magic ring. And only use single crochets. But I found it basically just like a cylinder. There's no foot shape at all. Method 2 is the most common way. It starts with magic ring and use only single crochet. You can already see a clear neck shape, and it only uses single crochet, so it's beginner friendly. Method 3 also gives a nice shape, but it uses multiple stitches: slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, and even triple crochet. So, it's better if you already have some experience. Method 4 doesn't use a magic ring. It only uses single crochets. It is my favorite. It's beginner friendly but still gives a very clear leg shape. And honestly, this looks the closest to Jellycat style. Let's compare them side by side. This one is fast but low shape. This one is simple and balanced. This one is more advanced. And this one is my top choice. Which one would you choose? Comment below. And I will make a step-by-step tutorial for each of them. Thanks for watching. I share easy crochet ideas for beginners and handmade gifts. If you enjoy crochet keychain and beginner-friendly projects, consider subscribing. It really helps support my channel. Happy crocheting! I will see you in the next video.